Hey guys, Tom French again. I'm going to be rematching Bailey because he said he was lagging. I don't know how it'll go. Maybe, oh, he has potions this time. It's going to be running around the place. I'm going to go back to my FM to get a potion because he has one and I don't really want to be getting strafed every minute. But yeah. So I'm on Semexi, of course, because I'm not rematching him in another server. By the way, I'm sorry I didn't show you last time, I have nothing. So let's get this started. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Let's go! Strafing for the start. Oh, he hit me and I hit him. It's kind of ending up like the same before. But I don't have gold apples this time. No, normal golden apples. So I don't lose. Yeah, I guess he was actually lagging. He's better. There's normal apples. Why would you eat them? It doesn't help. That was a pretty slow turn. Don't shift in combat. It doesn't help because you're kind of hoping they're going to stay in the same place. As well, it's kind of useless. He's going to be resouping soon. I know that for sure. Because he wasn't very smart. He did something. He's doing this block hit strategy. Not that helpful anymore. It's kind of making me lose a lot of hearts. I'm gonna have to resoup soon. I don't know about him. He has 1 more, 2 more, 3 more, 4 more, 5 more. I don't know. I'm probably gonna die. Why does he need normal apples? It doesn't really help. Oh, zombie and spiders after him. Yay! He's actually that dumb. He's asking truce to the zombies and spiders. Yeah, he can't hit me. I'm gonna resoup freely. It's lagging. Oh, but why can't other people? Maybe you can't hit in water. Yeah, you can't hit people in water. Let me try strafing a bit. Oh, my entities on my floors disappeared. Kind of good. Oh, too much monsters. I wish we PvP'd in day. It's a bit easier. He's running now, trying to resoup or something. Yep. That's right. Runs into the water. Let's kill him. Strafe him a bit. Beat him up. Almost kill him. He's gonna die soon. I think there's a problem with this server. It's very laggy. Well, I guess Union's also laggy, but it's a really good server, so they're trying to, like, obviously DDoS it, so they can have it, get all the money and stuff. They have DDoS protection though, so not unlike this server. It's a bit better. I'm a very high rank in it, as I said in one of the earlier videos. I'm God. It's Union. I don't even know what he's doing at the minute. I think he's gonna die. He's resouped that I haven't. Triggers, get a soup. If someone's resouping and you have full soup, don't resoup. But if you both have low soup, then a good trick's to resoup with him. Especially if you're a fast resouper. Yeah. Problem is there's a lot of monsters around, so I can't really do anything. It's very laggy. And zombies after me. I have like a mob of zombies or something. Oh, he's running. Probably has no health. Yeah, this is kind of turned out as... Oh, I'm lagging. I can't even do anything. Yeah, done. peace out, like, subscribe and comment. Time for an inch. This is Maxi.